Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
All right, so as it is tradition, you can see my hair. Mo's the barber right behind. He got ahead of me. As it is our tradition, anytime we lose an hero, fallen hero soldier as a youth, we normally shave off our hair as a sign of honor to him and clean out everything. So hashtag for PD coming up, all youths. Many people come and say they're standing with you, but you really truly know who is standing with you when they have to do something that personally affects them. All right, see you when it's done. All right, so we're done. Hashtag for PD. Bible says, Paul actually talking to the people of Philippians, and it must well be to the Philistines. He said to live is Christ and to die is gain. It's very, very simple. I actually say it. To die is his gain because Christ gets to gain his soul. All right, PD is already gone. What are you going to do? How are you living right now? And when you do pass on, what's going to happen with you? Hashtag for PD is shaved. Clean hearts, clean minds. See you soon.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.